Inventory increased for the first time since 2015. Buyer demand has been slower this spring than it was last spring, although buyer demand increased for higher priced condos. It's Friday, June 17th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. The Maryland housing market is at a transition point. After 2 years of frenzied activity, it appears that market conditions are beginning to cool. Higher mortgage rates and higher prices have begun to cause some prospective buyers to hold back. Inventory has started to expand, which means that buyers that are in the market will have more options. In the months to come, expect prices to continue to rise, although the pace of price appreciation will be lower than it has been. Here is area by area pricing trends. Baltimore metro area prices are up 10% year over year and up 8.1% just from April 2022. Maryland suburb prices rose 9.9% year over year and 9.4% since April. Southern Maryland prices are up 9.9% year over year and 12.7% from this April. Maryland Eastern Shore prices are up 10.2% year over year and 8.7% since this April. On the rental front, inventory hovers at 1,270 rentals at a median $2,250 per month. Overall, the market is showing signs of shifts. If you have any questions regarding your relative position, give me a call to discuss. That's the recap for the Maryland Market Minute, June 17th, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, be well.